So hello and welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to fix Metasploit error. So here you can see when I tried to update Metasploit with the latest version, and you can update it from the official GitHub rep. So all you have to do is go to google.com and type Metasploit GitHub, and here is the first link from where we are trying to install Metasploit, but it's not working. And what's the reason behind that? I'm going to share it to you today and fix that error as well. So when you scroll it down under the installing, you have to click on the free installer, and then you have to click on this link, and here you have a script. Just mark it and copy it and store it in a notepad. We are going to use it later on. First of all, we have to fix this error. Okay, so to fix this error, what you have to do is you have to check for the repositories first. So cd etc apt ls, and so in this section you might have a Metasploit file or Metasploit repository. Let me show you. So here it is. So let's delete it first. Okay, so it has been deleted. Exit the terminal and open a new one. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to uninstall the existing Metasploit in our device. So how to do that? Sudo apt get purge, then Metasploit-framework. Type your sudo password and wait for some time. So 521 MB, and it's lots of space according to my VM. So now we don't have EMSF console. Now what we have to do is we have to either you can copy paste it, or there is another method which is the fastest one. Let me show you. github.com EFX TV, click on repos. So this is the standard method to install Metasploit in your device. Okay, it will install the latest version, but if in case you want to update it on regular basis, so what you can do is you can install EMSF tool. You have to scroll down and look for installation Ubuntu Kali Linux ParaTOS. So the first thing you have to do is update and upgrade your device, of course. Let me check. So what's it? Okay, let it be. So while it's getting installed, I'm going to fast forward it. I'll request you to please watch the full video. I'm trying my best to make awesome content for you guys, okay? So ignore the background noise and everything else. Let me know what else you don't like on this channel. I'll try my best to avoid it, okay? So it's about to get finessed. We are like 20% left, now 10%. So the error we were concerned about is nowhere so far. So there is no error so far, means we have successfully updated our device. Okay, Kali Linux repos, Metasploit is there by default, so let's check it. So we don't have EMSF console installed in here. Now we are going to install it, okay? But there are two methods. Number one, which is standard method, and you may come across the same error at the time of update, okay? But if you use EMSF tool, I guarantee you that you're not going to face any kind of error at the time of update, and it fetches all the data from the official repo, okay? So you can use EMSF tool to install and update your Metasploit in any Linux operating system, okay? So just press on the clipboard icon and come to your terminal, paste everything you have copied and hit enter. So EMSF tool has been installed in your device. To run it, you have to install two things first. Now EMSF-H to view all the options, and it has lots of options. Apart from these options you can see on the screen, okay? So if you want to know about all of those, I have made many videos on EMSF tool. You can check my previous videos on YouTube. So today just stick to our topic, EMSF server. Now you have to type EMSF server. Now EMSF server is in front of you. Now you have to install M version tool. Make sure you should type M version, and it will take some time. Provide the sudo password so that we can copy the binary in the bin directory, okay? Now type M version, then install, okay? Another unexpected error. Okay, got it. It hasn't installed the tool, okay? So let's remove it first. So of course there is some kind of error with GitHub, okay? Got it. So we'll try to use it by copy pasting it. So just copy the script and nano M version. and paste everything. Control S, Control X. Okay. Now copy this script to your bin directory. Now it's working. So in order to install Metasploit, all you have to do is click version install and wait for some time. So it's going to call all the official repos. You can see here. And of course, it will take some time to install everything from the official repo to your Kali Linux machine. And this is the official version. It's calling from the official repo. Let me show you. So how to check the latest update for Metasploit? Click on the same link. Scroll down and look for this germ log file. And here is the official version. Okay, and it's installing the same one. So it will take some time for sure. Let me pause the video for some time and get back to you. So unpacking repo has been started, and again it will take some time, so be patient. So Metasploit has been installed in your device and there is no error. So in this video we have fixed errors, which is of course still there. Okay, the error with your GitHub, and we have fixed Metasploit as well. Now let's check if it is working or not, or if you want to check the version of presently installed Metasploit in your device using version tool, you can do it easily. Version, then check. It will take some time and let you know whether if okay, so it says checking for Metasploit, update found. Would you like to update? No, I don't want to update now. Before that, I want to check. Okay, so it's installed. Now clear the screen. EMSF console. So there is something wrong with GitHub. That is the reason I'm not able to use it. So no issues. We can use some other features. Version help, demo, and lhost. So here you have to type your local IP. And this is your IP address. Just paste it here, hit enter, and type your L port. So basically this tool has got designed for Termux. That is the reason you can see it here. Okay, so now it's starting the listener, and that's it. Okay, so it's working perfectly fine. So this was it for the day. In today's video we have fixed Metasploit error, and yes, of course, because of some GitHub error from their end, we are not able to perform some of the tasks. Maybe in future we'll do it. Okay, so for now, take care of yours. Have a great time ahead.